In this video, we'll walk through the full onboarding process in the Xeropan Students App. We'll download the app on a mobile device, sign in with an organisational account, and then we'll complete the onboarding steps. Students receive their login details from the school. They begin by clicking the organisational magic link, www.deeplink.xeropan.com/organisation_login. If a student clicks the link on a mobile device, it automatically opens the App Store or Google Play Store and lets them download Xeropan. If they click the link on a laptop or desktop, onboarding starts immediately in the web application. After installing the app or opening the web version, students sign in using the username and password they receive from the school. There is no registration, just enter the credentials and continue. The first step is choosing the language they want to learn. Students can choose general language courses or specialised professional courses. Next, they select their native language. For higher level learners, we recommend choosing English through English. For lower level learners, it's best to select their actual native language. Students then choose their level. They can either take a quick 10-minute placement test or select a level manually. Levels can be changed any time. If a level feels too easy or too difficult, they can adjust it later. During onboarding, students see a few short screens introducing Xeropan's story with Professor Max and the time machine. These elements introduce stars, XP, streaks, certificates, and other gamification features that help motivate learners. Students are shown a 4-week study plan explaining that with 5 minutes of practice a day, they'll complete vocabulary, pronunciation, video, grammar, and AI speaking lessons. This gives them an immediate goal to work toward. After onboarding, students arrive at the home screen. Here they can freely explore the curriculum or complete assignments from their teacher. In the top left corner, students can switch languages if they want to learn more than one. Next to it is the level selector, where they can change levels anytime. In each level, students see 5 main topics. Each topic contains around 10 units, and each unit includes vocabulary, pronunciation, video lessons, grammar, AI speaking conversation practice. The preparatory lessons build the vocabulary and grammar students need for the conversation. When a student is part of a teacher-led group, they'll see the My Classes tab in the bottom menu. Here they can access assignments given by their teacher. In the Learn menu, students can explore the full curriculum and study autonomously at their own pace. All progress, both assigned and autonomous, appears in the teacher's Xeropan Classroom dashboard. That's the full onboarding experience in the Xeropan Students App. Downloading the app, signing in, choosing a level, completing the introductory lesson, and navigating the student home screen. In the next video, we'll take a deeper look at how the learning path works inside the app.